Understanding split-system air conditioners. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning of split-system AC. This is a commonly used term, especially when discussing air conditioning options. We'll break it down for you in simple terms so you can understand exactly what it means. Let's dive in. A split-system AC, or air conditioner, is a type of cooling system commonly used in homes and offices. Unlike traditional window units, a split system consists of two main parts, an outdoor unit and an indoor unit. The outdoor unit contains the compressor and condenser, while the indoor unit houses the evaporator. These two units are connected by a series of pipes that carry refrigerant, which helps in cooling the air. The process starts when warm air from your room is drawn into the indoor unit. Here, the air passes over coils containing refrigerant. This refrigerant absorbs the heat from the air, cooling it down. The now warm refrigerant is then pumped outside to the outdoor unit, where it releases the heat and gets cooled down again. This cycle continues to keep your room at a comfortable temperature. Split system ACs offer several benefits. 1. Energy efficiency. They can be more energy efficient than traditional window units. 2. Quiet operation. The noisier parts, like the compressor, are located outside, making it quieter indoors. 3. Aesthetic appeal. They tend to be less obtrusive and can blend in better with your room's decor. Before deciding on a split-system AC, consider space requirements. Ensure you have enough space for both the indoor and outdoor units. Installation costs. These systems often require professional installation. Maintenance. Regular maintenance is necessary to keep the system running efficiently. I hope this video has helped clarify what a split-system AC is and how it works. These systems can be a great cooling solution for many, offering efficiency and comfort. If you're considering one for your home or office, now you know exactly what to expect. Stay cool, and see you in the next video.